if you receive a call, if you press on more icon, then you can see the call caption. If you press on call caption, then your call caption will be shown here like that. How are you today? How are you today? I am very good. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that. So how to enable or disable this option? It's very simple. Go to call icon, then press on three dotted line, then here you can see the call caption. This one, my call is running. Let's cut my phone call caption. Just enable this option. And if you want to change your language, you can change your language as well. Like if you want to change it as Indonesia, if you press on Indonesia, now let's make a call again to my phone. How it's working? Then just receive your call. Then if you press on this icon, then call caption, then now if you tell something, then as you can see, it's converted as a Indonesian language. So it's very good for S26 Ultra. So that's it. Please don't forget to thumbs up and hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you. Have a good day.